Hello, people of the internet. Today I've got my mum here off camera because she's not wearing any makeup and doesn't want to be seen on camera. And she's going to be playing sound effects, and I'm going to be guessing what they are. I'm going to do 15 different sound effects. I have no idea what any of them are. And should we say I get 3 guesses for each one?
Yeah, that's fine. And if you give me something to write on, I'll count how many I've done, because I might just lose track and it might go on forever. It'd be very boring.
Okay. Right. So you tell me when I'm right after I guess it.
Okay.
You know.
All right. Shall I do the first one now then?
Okay, first one. That's birds.
Any more specific?
Just birds.
Right. Yeah. It's actually a seagull.
Seagull. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Let's try. I'm going to different category now.
That's a dog barking.
Mm-hmm. Good. Right.
Is something playing?
No, that one hasn't played for some reason. Okay, let's try.
Is it a baby crying?
No. Let's try another.
I can just hear like a baby crying.
He has a sound. You've got one more guess.
They don't mime it because now I know it's a cat.
Well, I think I might have struggled with that had I just heard it in randomly, without any context. Right. Okay. Let's try another one.
Is it like wind? Is it like rain? I can hear like dripping, like I think...
It's somebody walking down the street with cars going past.
Oh, okay.
So...
I thought it was like wind and like rain dripping. But...
Okay, let's try something. Oh, hold on. That's a different...
It's either like... It sounds like crunchy, so... Is it like... someone walking on gravel?
Perfect! Absolutely spot on. Yes, well done.
Yeah, it's either that or someone like eating crisps. I wasn't quite sure.
Okay, let's try this one. Let me see. Okay.
That's like a triangle, like a...
Let me try it again.
Like a... Either wind chimes or a doorbell.
Doorbell.
It's a doorbell.
It is a doorbell. Okay. Well done. Right. What else have we... Oh, this could be quite a good one.
Is it like water like boiling?
You're along the right lines.
Is it water pouring?
Yes. It's pouring tea, but and water. I mean,
yeah.
It's the same thing.
I can't hear what kind of
drink
liquid
it
is being poured.
Let's have a look at. Let's see if this one. That might be difficult, but see if you can do it.
I would have said that was a doorbell again, but you've already done a
No.
doorbell.
It's
Is it like a symbol?
no. It's. Do you want me to tell you? Or do you
Yeah.
want another guess? It's ice cubes in a glass,
Oh, okay.
which is quite
Specific.
Yeah. Let's have a look. I'm just go scrolling down to see if there's anything that might sound a bit more different to names of cars. Let's see what's on here. Okay, let's try this one. To be honest, I don't think I'd get half of these if you just just told me to just listen to them.
Can you play it again?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm hearing like a kind of plop, plop, plop. So is it like a tap dripping?
No,
Um,
it's more mechanical than that.
mechanical.
I'll give you a bit of a clue.
What, like a machine? What machine?
A small piece of equipment.
My next guess would have been someone like putting coins into like dropping coins or something. But...
It was a camera sound.
Oh, okay. I would never have guessed that.
No, I don't. Well, I think I would never have guessed it if somebody had
Did it
just told
sound
me.
like a really like
Yeah,
sort of
like you know the sound that's generated by your phone if you've had
yeah,
it
like,
running,
okay.
Yeah.
I was not hearing
It's like that. Okay, see if you can do this one.
Is
It's
it actually
really
playing?
quiet.
Can you turn the sound up?
How
The
do I do
sound-
that?
Is it like a washing machine?
No.
It's something like shaking.
Should we play it again?
Yeah. Is it like a drum kit?
Do it one more time.
Like pouring rice or something?
Give up.
Yeah, what is it?
It's a keyboard. Somebody typing on a
Oh,
keyboard.
okay, yeah.
Yeah, it's quite a.
Specific.
Yeah. Okay, let's try this one.
Okay, I can hear like a whooshing. So, is it a car? No. Is it wind? Is it a Hoover?
No.
Okay, no, I'm not.
It's rumbling waves on the beach.
Oh, okay.
I think it's
What
really
number
different.
are we up to?
I've kind of lost count a bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
That's about right.
Yeah, sure.
Sounds about right. Okay, let's see if got this one.
That's talking.
Yeah, it's a group of people chatting. So yeah. Okay, let's try this one.
Is that a Hoover? Like a motorbike? Am I close or am I way off?
Right.
Is it like heavy rain? Okay, no.
No, it's applause
Oh, okay.
and people kind of whooping.
Oh, okay.
Let's see. Let me see if this, you might get this, I don't know.
Okay, I can just hear the same like whooshing noise again. Is this one over?
But it could be. It's creepy orchestral music.
What?
Creepy orchestral music.
Is this one a Hoover?
No. Do you want me to see if I can find a Hoover?
No, that can't.
Let's see what else we've got here. Right, okay.
Is that a telephone ringing? Like an air raid siren sort of
It's a
thing?
siren, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So you did that one right. I've actually lost track of how many you've got and how many you
Oh,
haven't.
well, like when I'm editing it, I'll add like
Yeah.
a score counter.
Okay. Alright, let's see if this one.
Is that like a motorbike or something? Is it a motorbike?
It's a car starting.
Oh, okay.
Along the right lines, aren't
It's
you?
an engine.
Yeah. Don't know whether that one's going to be. Let's see if we can do this one.
Is it someone like dropping something heavy, like just a bang, or is it like a drum beat sort of?
Let me see if I can do another version of the same thing.
I'm hearing someone like dropping like a rock.
Yeah, it wouldn't actually surprise me if it was that, but that's not what it says on here.
Okay.
But this is another version of a similar thing. It's quite subtle.
I mean, to me, it just sounds like someone going like dunk on a drum.
Yeah, it's a door slamming.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's see what else we have. Let's see what's in this one. Some of them are so. Let's see if this general sound will.
Is this one a Hoover?
That's a bit of a rubbish one, to be honest, because that's just the sound of a kitchen, but it didn't sound much like a kitchen to me.
What does a kitchen make?
Exactly, it's just like a load of sort of background noise. Okay, let's try. This might be a little bit better.
A slightly quieter Hoover.
No,
Is it like wind?
yeah, it's a waterfall.
Oh, okay.
So a lot of these do sound really similar. I'm trying to find something that I think might not sound the same, and then when I hit on it, it does sound the same. Sports ones you probably wouldn't recognise. What's under this? Let's see. Okay, let's try. That one's still playing. I can't. Right, let's see if we can do this one.
Oh, yeah. Is it someone? I can hear like a higher pitched dropping sort of noise. Is it someone like dropping cutlery into a drawer?
No. But this is so out of any kind of context that I think it's really hard to differentiate between them, because it's somebody loading a gun. It's like that sound.
Oh, okay, like a shotgun.
Yeah, like a gun sound. Okay, let's see. This might be more recognisable.
Is it like a heartbeat? Is it like a drum?
Yes.
Okay.
It's military drums, like
Oh, okay.
marching. Hey, yay, got one.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, shut up now. Now I can't get it to stop. Right.
Click on it again,
Yeah.
that'll stop it.
Oh.
Is that all of them?
I think that's about 15 now. I kind of lost track a bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, you've done about 15.
Okay, right.
I don't know how many you got, but probably about 5 out of 15, do you reckon?
Yeah,
I think it was
add
really,
like a
I think it was
score
really
count.
hard.
Uh-huh.
I think it was really hard.
Do you think I did well?
Yeah, I think if you did the same with me, I probably wouldn't get half of them.
Mm-hmm.
So I think anything that was obvious, you
Mhm.
got. And honestly, I
Mhm.
reckon if you did the same with me and I didn't have any context,
Mm-hmm.
I wouldn't be able to
Mhm.
to differentiate.
Okay, well,
So I think, not too bad.
okay.
Not too bad at all, my darling. Okay, so shall I leave you to get on with that?
Yeah, okay.
My
Right.
face is hurting. Okay. Switch off.
Bye. I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, let me know if you think I did well in the comments or how many that you got. That could be interesting to see how many other people got. Bye. I'll see you soon.